Welcome back to Hasbro's Hide and Kentucky Rimfire and Day at the Range.
Oh yeah, range
and
fans,
Rimfire Dave
fans.
And anonymous Brendan back here. He's sitting there behind us. We're going to do the Savage on Savage challenge, this time between me and Chad. Let's get it on, Chad. You shoot the top row and I'll shoot below you.
Oh, here we go. My money's on the winner.
Your money's on the winner. All right, here we go.
That's not a bad shot. Hasn't changed.
Oh, he's getting serious now.
Oh boy. Woo!
You should have broke that out against Elijah. Holy cow.
Just picked up a little bit. There you go.
Oh, crap. He's just shot his best group of the day. All right, here I go. Second row. Like I have a chance against that one.
You got a chance. Just watch the condition.
Uh-oh.
Oh, does not move.
Hey, no, it's Chad's mag. It fell out.
Oh. I bent it too a little bit.
All right, one more time. Uh-oh.
That's all right. It's a group. All right. Shoot for group.
That one just flew off, though. Yep. That's where it should have hit. That first one cold bored me badly.
See that? Right on top of it. It's on top of it too. Good gracious alive. Yep. It's almost done.
That first one cost me bad.
Still looks good. There you go.
There you go.
Good job, Chad.
4-shot group is what I'm counting.
You boys might learn one of these days to quit challenging old Kentucky.
You keep going. We got 3 more.
Yeah. Yep. Yep. It's on the what it wants to do. It's swirling big.
Come on, win.
You held for that.
Maybe.
Maybe. Yeah. Same hold.
I don't know about that.
Just letting up a speck now. There you go.
I let him get me with a cold bore shot.
Flag was going right at us. That's why they went low. It's still there. You held on that one. Don't wait. It's still there.
Elijah, you notice he's shooting faster this time?
He is. He shoot. Boy.
I don't know what the deal is with that.
That's a Savage FB.
Factory. No trigger work, nothing done.
All right, here we go.
Wow.
And a Barska scope.
A little bit of condition has it. Can be a little right, but it'll be okay. Just a little right. Yep. Change.
Oh, it dropped. What was that from? That's vertical stringing defined. Right there.
Right in the last hole.
Mm-hmm.
Nice little group though.
Oh, come on.
Yeah, I was
Fire.
actually hoping you wouldn't pull it because that wind flag changed on me big time.
Did it?
I was watching the flag. It changed big time.
Right as he shot.
All right. Chad's got the first two groups. We may have to do an Elijah playoff.
Switch guns.
Got to change the rules up a little bit.
That's a lot right there. That is.
We're going to go best 4 out of 5 groups.
See that paddle down there? How far over it is?
Oh, yeah.
That's a lot. There it's coming back. We should be able to shoot that.
What are you down there coaching him for?
I'm coaching you both.
Okay.
No, it picked up and let off. See that? It was a puff went by. There it comes again.
It's amazing though. You don't so much feel it here on the firing line. Though.
No, out there it's affecting the bullets. Coming back right there. What's that shot? Do a little boiling out there now. A little bit.
Ooh-wee.
Oh, okay. Moving towards 5. There you go.
Mm-hmm.
Just picked up a little bit back here, so allow for that. Over there, but allow for what you did.
Look at him work that bolt like he's doing a walk-off. See that? Did a little victory dance at the same
I tried
time.
to get somebody else to
All right,
shoot my
time
rifle.
time for me to put. Yeah, there you go. Time for me to put one in one hole.
Yeah, out at 2 o'clock and shoot. That paddle was flat out. You should-
Mm.
See it? There it goes.
Yeah, that got me, didn't it?
Yep.
All right, I can do this.
Now it's back. Oh, there it goes again. Got that off in time.
Yep. Almost same condition though. Just about same
Yep.
spot.
It still looks good.
Oh,
Oh, there's a big change out there. There it goes again. There it really goes.
Whoa!
Got it in there in time. It's still pretty good right there. Just back and forth. Oh! You got this, Haz. You can get that last one. Hang on. There you go.
Way to go!
Good job.
but I got one that this keeps costing me though.
All right.
4-shot groups. That's what we're calling this match.
These savages are kicking butt.
Yeah.
There's a different breeze. That flag out there is going nuts. It's dancing. Oh, there's why. Right in our face. Releasing your condition.
Wait.
Hasn't changed. Good shoot.
Somebody hurt him. What are you guys doing?
Woo!
The hamstring is right there.
Okay. Your coach is right here.
His hamstring is right there. All right.
It's the same. Hasn't changed. It's a spec right.
Goodness gracious. Oh, there you go, Has.
See that? Just suspect right.
Mm-hmm.
It just picked up a little bit more. Just favor the left of spec.
It's still in there.
Yeah,
It's still in there.
Nothing wrong with that. Still the same.
Don't choke.
Oh, no, picked up.
I got robbed. I got totally robbed.
Picked up. Bang.
Pulled it at the wrong time.
Yep, I said picked up.
Right there,
And
same
right
hole.
back in there.
Yep. It just was a puff going by. There, it picked up. You heard. Pretty good. Yep.
Same hole.
Yeah. Yep.
I just want to make
got
something.
caught.
I want to make something
Wait a
real
minute.
clear here.
I got my crying towel ready.
Now
No.
we're switching. Now we're switching. This is
No,
for the final.
I want to make something real clear here. This was the Savage against Savage until the VR came along. Aren't you glad I shot the VR?
Holy cow.
Wow.
That's what I was saying. When I saw the,
Hold on. In defense, you saw what I did with the BR.
Oh, that's true.
You
You
did.
saw
That's true.
0.3.
That's true.
0.3,
But
big
there's smaller out there than
on.
that.
Let's switch
Oh,
up here.
boy.
I'm proud.
But
Of,
I will tell you,
I'm proud of my gun.
it's time for me to go home now. It's time for me to go home.
Well, here's the official
They
crying
punching below
towel.
the belt out here.
Here's the official crying towel. 10 minutes before that Joker shows up, that second row is what this gun shot,
God.
which would have been right there all over him.
All the difference in the condition.
It is, absolutely. Good shooting in the wind.
Yeah, big
Good shooting in the wind.
All the difference in the condition.
That's awesome. Hope you all like that. Good being with you guys. A lot of fun. I enjoy this.
Fun it is.
And you can't beat a Savage FV for the money. I'm telling you, awful lot of fun.
Day at the range.
We'll catch y'all.
Where it
Oh
is.
yeah, dayattherange.com, KentuckyRimFire.com, Rimfire Dave, Brendan about to start his own channel.
Let's go. Let's
Hasbro.
support Brendan.
Yes, sir.
All right, we're out of here. Well, welcome back to round 2 of the Savage on Savage on Savage. I don't know, we're so far into this it doesn't matter. But we're going to shoot. Rimfire Dave says he has special ammo. I didn't see him. He might have had a knife out cutting these bullets. We're going to find out. But Chad and I are going to shoot the same thing. No fouler shots, straight on onto this target. So, Chad, give it a run.
Dave didn't have his knife out, but the old Marine was chewing on him. Though.
Bulldog. This isn't fair.
Mm. Mm.
You know, Elijah, Dave and him been hanging out the last 2 days. I bet you they lot tested for this gun, and Dave's got a special ammo.
I did
That
not.
might be right.
Never,
Might be right.
we,
I did not.
we never even got this gun out
Nope,
the last
did
2
not.
days.
I wouldn't do that. That's why I went and got it.
He said they were at the heat. They were out shooting. Boy, I sure hope this ammo keeps up. That's half as much as Center X.
Man.
That's good. Next,
Good. You can beat that.
we're going to find out.
Dead calm.
What kind of ammo did you give me?
Oh, the L means left.
No,
Yeah,
that was
evidently.
I was chewing on.
Must be. Yeah, right there's the next one.
Looks to me like you got a cold
Look at
war
that.
issue.
Cold War issue. Yep.
There's definitely one.
Well, I can explain that to you if you want.
Oh, I want.
I'll tell
You
you.
got the mentor on the range.
Look at that.
There, look,
Right there,
yeah,
it was right in there, that second one.
yeah.
I'll explain it to everybody. One time and you'll all say, really?
And don't tell me I need a Green Mountain barrel. It may be true, but look at that. I want to switch ammo boxes now.
I'm getting blamed for this, and I.
But
That isn't me. I'm telling you, that's not me.
that's what
Yeah,
gunfire's
you're
all about.
Holy
Finding
cow.
ammo your rifle likes.
Exactly. Show 'em, Chad. You're not afraid of that ammo.
I am now. I think I'm gonna have to shoot the camera so there's no evidence. Yeah, there he goes. He's throwing the gauntlet.
Good job.
We're gonna get right on into it.
Oh, no. There.
Hasbro's getting serious now.
Mm-hmm.
I've had enough of this bullshit.
That one
Yeah.
sneaked out a little.
Keep doing that.
Hasbro, that's not shabby.
That ain't bad. That's not bad.
Yeah.
Little pressure anyway.
Four of
That's
them.
not bad.
Putting the pressure right on the cheese head.
Give me some of that. Give me some of that.
I ain't called him cheese yet once. Yet.
Called me out though.
Uh-oh.
I did.
Yeah, oh,
Now
we
we'll
just
see
give
whether
him that.
we can shoot.
He did call you out.
He called me out once. Called me out twice. Didn't learn the first time.
Actually, Dave called you out this time.
You accepted.
The antagonizer. That's his new name.
He's here to stir the pot.
The wind's making it hard now.
Ooh. It's switching.
Mm-hmm.
Time.
Flag on the field. It's really over, isn't it? There's something you can see that way. Lay it out. Look, there goes again. Started over. They're coming back up.
Elijah, if I fall asleep over here, would you jump in?
I'll nudge you, wake you up.
I think maybe I just made him mad.
Oh yeah.
There you go. Give me some daylight.
Oh, he left you some room.
Yes.
Oh yeah.
That can be beat.
Now I need the wind to stop.
You got this, Has. He left you some room on that one.
Almost a bullet's width. There you go. Yeah.
I believe you got to win the next two though to win.
Mm-hmm.
Nice.
Way to go.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Yes, sir.
Come on.
One more round, folks.
Oh yeah.
Now you're starting to like that ammo, aren't you?
Yeah, it's coming around.
Chad says, I got something to say about that.
Standard plus.
Yoo-hoo.
Good job, Chad.
Good target.
Okay. A little pressure on him that time, didn't you? You held him, didn't you? Yeah.
Last one.
He did.
My goodness.
Wow. Tried to outsmart that wind. Oh, look at it.
Oh, come on. Absolute flyer.
I do feel like that was ammo. There was a lot of
All right,
smoke
we
after
won't
that.
count
one.
that.
Holy
There was a lot
cow.
of smoke after
Maybe it was
All
that.
right, we won't count that.
Maybe it was
You
Coke
get
Bull
5
again.
more.
Yeah, it's not that cold.
The peanut gallery says you get it.
Yeah, that tells you it wasn't me.
Put 4 more in there, we'll call
That's
it.
right.
See that?
Ooh-wee.
dead calm out there.
3 more.
You better
It
shoot.
is calm.
You better shoot.
There it is. Serious. You can do it. One more, please.
One more. Put one more in there.
It don't count though. You threw it.
We're gonna give you that.
You blew it. You threw it. You blew it.
These are the judges. What do you think?
Give him one more. One more.
We give it to you.
All right. You get one more. I get one more.
You don't get any
I
more.
don't care.
Why? You've been coached yesterday and the day before.
That's true. And this is your tested lot ammo.
No, it has not
We
been
never
tested.
that ammo. I brought it
I ain't
along
even had
just to
this
shoot
gun
up
out of the
with
car.
Dave gave you his box out of the cooler.
Oh, way
job.
to go.
That's
Way to
good.
go, Taz, bro.
Woo.
Good. Too bad it don't count.
Yeah, it don't count. It don't count, but that'll be the smallest group of the day.
Or bent. They're not straight.
Out of a factory Savage FV.
So when they mass produce these guns, they just chamber them, put them on there. So it could be this way, it could be this way, you don't know where it's at. The easiest way to tell is just your first shot, cold bore, wherever it's at, that's the way the barrel's bent. And then after that, sometimes it takes 2 shots. But normally, if your barrel's put on like this, your first shot would just be high in a 10 you know.
Not this one.
Once it starts off course, it's way off course.
Uh-huh.
But once they go high, usually they just go a little bit high. That's when you get a match gun. Like if I get my red one out, I built that so it goes straight and just tips up. You know, you can shoot the first shot and the last shot, and it'll be in the same, just half ball every time.
Oh, nice.
People
Well,
don't realize how bent they are until you stick.
We'll
them
score that up, Chad.
Yeah.
and run them
Yep.
slow.
It's close, but I think you got me.
And they bend down and said, "It's going like this."
Uh-huh.
I said, "It's got a belt
Good
in it."
shoot.
Yeah, good shooting.
What
Well,
you
we'll-
do is you indicate this end perfectly straight.
No, I appreciate y'all. Appreciate Dave, Elijah, even Cheesehead.
Look at Cheesehead.
Thanks for joining us all. It's been a good time.
Cheesehead.